viewers, welcome to Sahiba's Treasure YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today I will show you how to make Atta Biscuits. You will love this biscuit because it is so delicious. Let me know its ingredients. We need 2.5 cup atta, half cup of fine powdered sugar. I am adding here 50 grams of dry fruits. You can add more quantity also. Warm water half cup. 1/4 cup of ghee. Now take one clean bowl. Add warm water, sugar powder, and ghee. And mix it nicely. Add now semi-grinded dry fruits. Then add atta. Take a blender and knead atta with it until it becomes soft and smooth. See the consistency. It should not be too hard nor too smooth. It should be like this. Take a rolling pin, roll it like the chapatis. And it should be this much thick. And decorate it with different designs. Now take a frying pan or kadai like this. Pour oil in it. Now fry your atta biscuits. Fry until it's become golden brown. Wow, alhamdulillah, mashallah, our biscuits are ready. You can decorate it with dry fruits. And you can serve this to your guests. You can store it in an airtight container and eat it for a month. Hiba, alhamdulillah, we have biscuits for 1 month. Yes, Didi. Wow, it is so nice. Thank you, Didi. You're most welcome. And thanks to my all viewers for watching this video. I hope you liked my recipe. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment and share also. And please watch my other videos also. Until then, goodbye. Inshallah, coming back with new videos. Jazakumullahu khairan and thank you.